What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode, and it's a quick one, but today I want to show you how to customize your icons in iOS 14. First of all, shout out to John Rettinger for sharing this tweet, and thank you for Trav for sharing this information. Anyway, without further delay, let's dive right in. And that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.